When most people think about the city of Parma, they're thinking about delicious Parmigiano Reggiano cheese or Prosciutto di Parma. But there is much more to the city than just delicious food. Like the Pinacoteca Nazionale, or the National Painting Gallery, which is housed here in the Palazzo della Pilota and contains masterpieces by Correggio, Parmigianino, and the great Leonardo da Vinci. Parma is also home to one of Italy's most celebrated Romanesque cathedrals, which houses an absolute treasure inside, and that is the fresco dome by Correggio. And right next to Parma Cathedral, you'll find Parma Baptistry. It's one of the most unique buildings in all of Italy, octagonal in form and built with this beautiful pink Verona marble. Or you can stop by the Church of San Giovanni Evangelista to admire the beautiful fresco dome by Correggio. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.